Hi kids, in today's session we are going to do minus 4's big friends formula. Minus 4 big friends formula is minus 10 plus 6. Okay, imagine I have 12 with me, but imagine you have it in front of you. Okay, I have plus 12 with me. I have to do minus 4. I can't do small friends, minus 5 plus 1 not possible, no? Yeah, and for when we can't do small friends, till here what we do? We do big friends. What is the big friends formula of minus 4? Minus 10 plus 6 minus God plus friend. Look again. Minus God plus friend. I have 3 with me. 13 with me. 1, 3, 13. I have to do minus 4. Minus 4's big friend formula. Minus 10 plus 6. I have 5 with me. I have to do minus 4. Got confused? See, here we will apply small friends. Minus 5 plus 1. Our first priority will be small friends only. If we can't do that, then we are going to go to big friends. Only for those numbers which have small friends and big friends both. Okay. Now, let's see a big complicated formula. I'm sorry. Okay. Add 2 for, I will make you do a big complicated question first, then a big easy question. Okay. 2 plus 3 plus 4, again plus 4, again plus 4, less 4, again less 4. In the last I did less than add 6, and in the middle the formulas I applied you're gonna tell me in the comment section. Okay, because in previous videos I am telling you formula by formula. Here I think you must be a little prepared, so you have to tell me the formula in comments. Okay, the answer is this. Now let's do easy one. At 7 add 2 minus 6 add 10 minus 4. Minus 4's formula minus 10 add 6. Clear? Clear. Okay. Now I'll see you in the next video. Stay connected and drop your answers in the comments.